The beautiful Yarra River in Victoria has its source at Mount Borbor in the Great Dividing Range. On its way to the city of Melbourne, it meanders through the sleepy hamlet of Warburton. The many bridges allow easy access to various stages of the river walk. The walk passes through lush vegetation amongst native trees and along the way plaques to tell the Indigenous story. Take time to reflect in the shade of the redwood trees or play with the children by the riverside. Take a well-earned break by the water and watch the hybrid ducks or a raft of Australian native wood duck. Water sports abound, from fishing, kayaking, canoeing to rubber rafting for the children, but be sure to watch them every minute. Whatever the season, whether it's the swollen river of winter, the rains of spring, or the tranquil waters of summer, the Yarra River at Warburton has beauty for everyone.